pleasure and an honor for me to welcome you on behalf of the University of Trieste, and particularly on behalf of the rector, who could not participate in this important meeting because of a prior commitment. Let me say a few words about the University of Trieste for people coming from outside. The University of Trieste is a medium-sized university, 16,000 students abroad in bachelor's and master's degrees, and about 1,000 students in postgraduate courses. 78% are students coming outside from Trieste, and 11% are international students, and 56.6% are women. And I think that is important for today's meeting. The University of Trieste has 10 departments, and for many years it has had a leading position in the ranking for orbital universities, and it is one of the few Italian institutions also found in international rankings. You are aware of the importance of the internationalization, and we are strengthening the already good results with the international mobility of students and researchers by means of Erasmus program and international exchange agreements with a still growing number of other universities in the world. We consider both research and teaching our mission. There is a very large number of research projects financed particularly by the European Union in every research field, from life sciences to law and languages. One of the most important values for the University of Trieste is the social inclusion and the respect of the multiculturalism in all their aspects. The principal ambition of the University of Trieste is to prepare the future class of leaders and professionals for the world of work in which the required level of knowledge and preparation is changing every day. A class of leaders and professionals who are respectful of the above-mentioned values, e.g. social inclusion and multiculturalism. I think that today's workshop will be particularly important for the University of Trieste as a whole, and not only for the organizing department. A word of thanks to the organizer, Elisabeth Fatigani-Sava, I think, a particular thanks to her, and to the speakers, particularly to those coming from Eastern universities such as Utrecht, Oxford, but the other two, it is not very aware of that. The University of Trieste wishes the proceeding every